Greetings, folks. It's Sarah, and today I am going to give you guys some warming oven temperature readings on the Cuisiniere cooker. And I've experienced quite a few temperature ranges, so I'm going to go ahead and give you what I'm reading right now as far as the warming oven goes. And then I'm also going to list like my personal experience with the stove. So right now, the outer is showing like 275 degrees. Inside on the bottom, I'm at 232. On the sides, yeah, so easy 250 degrees, I would say, inside this baking oven. The 275, that's pretty accurate. I did see it as high as 300 degrees when I had it loaded up like maximum. And then I've seen it as low as like 150 if you have just a really small fire kind of going. So you do get a wide variety of baking temperatures up here that you can do from warming to actually baking items in the top of your Cuisiniere cooker. So I really hope that you guys find this information helpful for you guys. I do my best to kind of show you all the features of the product as well as the temperature ranges. This is running with single wall pipe. You can run a double wall chimney pipe through this warming oven. This is actually one of the few warming ovens on the market that has that capability. It has knockout plates for that. Now, I always run single wall up in here because I'm constantly changing out the stoves, and so I'm not going to knock it out. That's what I'm running for the purposes of this video, and that's where you're going to get your hottest temperatures. So I would imagine that the double wall pipe would reduce your your temperatures. My estimation would be probably by 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That's an approximation. Um, if anybody has a double wall chimney and has a heat gun, drop it in the comments. I'd love to know what those temperatures are if you're running your cooker that way. Most people do run the single wall chimney through it just to obtain those hottest temperatures. As always, if you like the videos, please thumbs it up and share it with a friend, share it with someone who would benefit from it. And ultimately, like if you guys are in homesteading groups or cooking groups or I don't know, mom groups, and you're like, hey, so and so would really think this is cool. Why don't you send this video their way? Hey, hey. Thanks so much for being here. God bless. Bye.